Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Bem-vindos a mais vídeo aqui deste canal. I said welcome to another video from this channel. Well, hit the like button below because according to research, that makes your Portuguese improve faster. I'm just kidding. Well, today we're gonna learn how to talk about the weather, right? So, how do you say the weather in Portuguese? O tempo. Repeat. O tempo. So, in order for you to ask what's the weather like or how's the weather today, we say como está o tempo hoje. That means how is the weather today? Literally translating. So repeat after me. Como está o tempo hoje? And of course, you can also say como está o tempo hoje? Or just como está o tempo? Because this tá is the same as está. It's an abbreviation, so to speak. So, you can answer things like está quente e úmido. That means it's hot and humid. Or just tá quente e úmido. Repeat. Tá quente e úmido. Está frio e chovendo. Means it's cold and raining. Chovendo. Chover, that means would be to rain. Chovendo, raining. Now repeat. Tá frio e chovendo. Good. Next, está quente e ensolarado. That means it's warm and sunny. Repeat. Tá quente e ensolarado. Next, está nevando e muito frio. It's snowing and very cold. Repeat. Está nevando e muito frio. Good. You're a good student because you're repeating everything I ask you to repeat. That's good for your Portuguese in the future. Tá ventando e nublado. It's windy and cloudy. So, ventando would be more like winding. That's what it is. It's the same as like chovendo. So, wind, winding. That's the literal meaning of that. So, repeat. Tá ventando e nublado. Good. Now, if we want to say it's raining, we just say está chovendo or tá chovendo. Repeat. Tá chovendo. It's cloudy, tá nublado. Repeat. Tá nublado. Now, if you want to say it's rainy, then you say tá chuvoso. Chuvoso. It's a strange word. I don't use that, but people can say it, you know. Como tá o tempo hoje? Tá chuvoso. Or tá chovendo. Bastante. That would be a lot. Alright. Now, está ventando. It's windy. Tá ventando. Good. You're repeating. That's perfect. Tá quente. It's warm. Tá quente. It's muggy. You're gonna say tá abafado. Abafado. Tá chovendo granizo. That means it's hailing. Tá chovendo granizo. Pay attention to the pronunciation of this word, granizo. Even though if you would really read it, you would say granizo, but we say granizo, granizo. Pedras de granizo. It would be like rocks of ice, you know. Let's talk about temperature. Temperatura. Repeat. Temperatura. Temperatura. Nice. Qual é a temperatura? What's the temperature? Repeat. Qual é a temperatura? Or, qual é a temperatura hoje? What's the temperature today? Repeat. Qual é a temperatura hoje? Está 30 graus hoje. That means it's 30 degrees today. Remember also, in Brazil, you're going to refer to Celsius, not Fahrenheit. That's a good point to remember. So, 30 graus, it's hot or warm. To me, it's very hot. So, repeat. Tá 30 graus hoje. Graus, degrees. Tá 40 graus. It's 40 degrees. Repeat. Tá 40 graus. Está abaixo de zero. That means it's below zero. Abaixo. Abaixo de zero. Zero, zero, abaixo. Now if you want to say above, then you would say acima. Abaixo, acima. Neste caso, in this case, está abaixo de zero. Repeat. Está frio hoje. It's chilly today. You can also say friozinho. Does that make any sense? It would be something like, it's a little cold. So kind of chilly, you know, it's friozinho. And people usually do that thing, like they were holding an imaginary jacket or something. So you say, tá friozinho hoje. Repeat, tá frio hoje. If you say tá frio, you are also saying it's cold. Now, tá congelando. It's freezing. Congelando. Repeat, tá congelando. Now, you want to talk about the rain, like it's raining a lot, it's pouring. You say, tá uma chuvarada. This isn't a verb. Like, chuvarada, it's a way to describe, it's a type of rain, so to speak. It's like a bunch of rain. That's what it is. So you say, it is a bunch of rain. You say, tá uma chuvarada. Chuvarada. Or you can also say, tá chovendo muito. That means it's raining a lot. Chovendo, raining. Chovendo muito, muito, a lot. It's pouring out. You can also say, tá uma chuvarada lá fora. Lá fora means there, out. Literally translating, of course. Tá muito frio hoje. It's so cold today. Repeat. Tá muito frio hoje. Tá extremamente quente. That means it's extremely hot. Tá extremamente quente. Extremely, extremamente. Hot, quente. Now, está bonito na rua hoje. Ou está bonito lá fora hoje. That means it's nice out today. Repeat. Tá bonito na rua hoje. Tá bonito lá fora hoje. It's so nice out. Tá um dia tão bom lá fora. Repeat. Tá um dia tão bom lá fora. O tempo está lindo. That means the weather is beautiful. You can also say o dia, that means the day is beautiful. It's very common for people to say that. O dia tá lindo hoje. The day is beautiful today. But when you say o dia, you mean the weather. So, repeat. O tempo tá lindo. O dia tá lindo. Esse tempo maluco. This crazy weather. Repeat. Esse tempo maluco. Estou ensopado. That means I'm soaked. Or, if you're a woman, you're gonna say estou ensopada. That's when Portuguese start to get a little bit complicated, but with practice, you're gonna learn. So, estou ensopado. Estou ensopada. O oposto de molhado é seco. So, when you are wet, você está molhado. If you're a man. Now, if you're a woman, você está molhada. I might say something that this particular você está molhada, that could also have a sexual connotation, but not in this case, of course. And it's something that we can talk about in another lesson, but don't worry about it. When you say that, if you're really wet and you say that, you came in my house from outside and you're wet because of the rain, and you say, eu estou molhada. I can see that, of course, but no one is going to think anything but that specific thing, that you are wet because of the rain. So, eu estou molhada, ou eu estou totalmente molhada, ou completamente molhada. Completamente, completely, totalmente, totally. And of course, if you're a man, you're going to say, estou molhado. And the opposite of molhado, molhada, is seco, seca. Now, for example, my clothes are dry. I would say, minhas roupas estão secas. Remember, clothes in Portuguese is a feminine word. So you have to say, roupa seca. All right? Now, my shoes are dry. Meus sapatos ou tênis estão secos, right? So, because shoes, shoe is a masculine word. Next example we have here, eu preciso de guarda-chuva. That means I need an umbrella. Eu preciso de guarda-chuva. Good. And next one, você tem uma capa de chuva? That means you, if I translate it literally, it would be you have a cape or jacket of rain. Basically, that's what it would mean literally. But, do you have a raincoat? Repeat. Você tem uma capa de chuva? Alright, my friends. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Make sure you review the lesson and also repeat out loud when I say the phrases in Portuguese, because it's very important for you to really be able to speak in Portuguese. And this is going to give you some phrases to use when you're visiting Brazil and you don't know what to talk about. What do? We just talk about the weather. So now you know how to do that. Thanks for watching. Share this video. Hit the like button down below and let me know in the comments if you like this lesson and if you want more lessons like this, because I'm here to teach you how to speak real Brazilian Portuguese that we speak on the streets. Right? Like we can also speak inside our houses. All right, I'll see you next class. Bye-bye.